What's up YouTube? It's your girl Yanni. I'm back with another video, and this is gonna be a video about my bold popping red lip. Okay, how to get this look, as well as me kind of just getting ready and talking to you about an update on life, I guess, and motivation, and getting stuff done. So if you're watching, I'm pretty sure that you cannot take your eyes off my red lip, or either you clicked on this video because you want to know how I got it. Let's just get into it. I don't think I put the color in the video, so I'll just let you know that it's gonna be starring this little baby here, the Stila Stay All Day liquid lipstick in the color Base. So I've already done my eyebrows, as you can see off camera. The foundation I'm going to be using today is Maybelline Superstay All Day. What is it? Superstay Full Coverage. This is a Superstay, and it's the shade 360 Mocha. So that's what I'm going to be using. That's what I've been using, because I get a lot of compliments on my foundation, even though I've just kind of been using this. This may be too much. I don't know. You really don't need a lot of this foundation. Let's blend this out. And this is why I left that foundation. Okay, I need to stop being weird. But anyway, I've been away from the camera for a while. It's because I feel like I had stuff going on as far as like work and just life, and I haven't really been up to making videos. I just don't see myself getting in front of the camera when my mind's not there, because then it won't be a good video. This foundation is just life. For like a drugstore foundation, I'm just like, it's life, and I just can't stop using it, and it just looks really good to me. A girl likes what she likes. Anyway, yeah, I've also been getting my life together in other areas, so I feel pretty good about that as far as getting my stuff together. Like, what I've been doing recently, I've been making a little list on my phone, a little checklist of things that I want to get done. Like, it can be little things or big things, but usually they're like little things that I want to try and make sure that I at least get done throughout the day. And then I just check them off as I go and do them, and that's been making me feel really good. Achieving your goals just makes you feel good anyway. But to go through a whole checklist for the whole day is just like amazing. Sometimes I don't complete everything. I only get a few things done, and then I just add it to the list for the next day to complete those things, so I make sure that I'm not forgetting about them or just leaving them. I had like school stuff that I needed to deal with, and then job stuff that I needed to deal with, and apartment stuff. I kind of just let this sit for a little bit, even though I look really crazy right now. I just let this sit, and then I get the powders that I like to use ready. And then the next powder that I'm going to be using is that Fenty Beauty Pro Filter powder in banana. I still struggle with creasing.
I'm not gonna lie, like I have like ways to not crease, but some days, if I'm rushing, it just happens. Or even if I'm not rushing, sometimes it just happens. I don't know if my eyes are bad or what, but
creasing is just not cute. It's just not cute. I don't be feeling it. Anyway, the other powders that I'm gonna be using are they're both Maybelline. Oh, there's a Maybelline junkie over here. They're both Maybelline. One is in the shade dark 40, and the other one is deep 35. So I use this one kind of all over my face, and I use this one as a contour. And I guess I didn't say they're the loose finishing powders. So my go-tos. Yeah, we're just waiting. We're just gonna play the waiting game. I wonder if I should take some selfies like this. Some selfies in. Okay, enough of that. So now we can go ahead and start blending this out. I don't know if I told y'all the reason of why I wait to do that. It's just I feel like it spreads a lot better and it kind of dries down a little bit, which helps me definitely with creasing, so that later I don't look crazy. Can I have my eyes looking crazy and then I just look crazy? Sponge is not as damp as I thought it was. It's cool. We're making it work. Let me get this powder going. I don't know if this is too much or not. I still don't bake. I tried to do it the other day and I ended up just blending it back into my face because I can't. I don't know why. I think I've grown to pressing it in all the time now that I don't even want to wait to bake. It's not for me. I don't feel like it's necessary. I feel like I kind of do it in a little bit because I don't know, in a way, because I still like leave a little bit, and then once I go over with that other brush, then this kind of gets swept over again in a way. I don't know, I just don't bake. I'm just gonna leave it at that. My plan for these videos is to make sure that I just kind of stay on top of them. I feel like I'm doing well enough to where I should be able to do that. This is how this headband gets so dirty because I do not care about the powder when I'm applying it to the top of my forehead. But yeah, I'm so serious when I say like doing all that, like the list and just like kind of working on my stuff that I know I need to get done, because that's probably what makes me feel bad, is not getting stuff done or not knowing how to get it done and then not feeling like I have any help getting it done. But if I don't have help, usually it's because I don't ask for it. I don't know if the same thing happens with y'all, but that's pretty much typically why. If I'm not getting something done, which I'm typically good at getting stuff done, if I don't get something done, it's because I'm being like stubborn about it in some area of my life that I'm not asking for help or asking the right questions when I know I can get them, or being lazy, which sometimes that happens too, but it doesn't make me feel good. But just in that little bit of time of me getting like, I don't know, just a decent amount of things done, I feel so much better. Somebody said contouring the nose was out and I just don't agree. I don't agree. For my highlighter, I kind of don't want to be that extra with the highlighter. I feel like I found something that kind of blends in with my skin pretty well, which is the bronzer palette from e.l.f. I had a favorite color, obviously it's gone, so I had to switch to this one. This is my new favorite. It just kind of really blends in with the skin. It makes me happy. It just makes me happy. It makes me happy. But anyway, just achieving goals can make anybody feel good. And I just, once you like start doing it, I think you want to keep doing it. I think what discourages people from getting things done are obstacles and small failures, which are not really failures. I guess they're just obstacles. Like when you don't do as good or you don't get the results that you expected, then you kind of just want to stop and you get, I don't know, unmotivated. You're not motivated anymore to keep going, basically. And that's kind of how I get. So I'm trying to shy away from that just because I've been doing well, and then it also helps for people around you to be like, hey, like, you're actually doing well. So I know that I would love to hear that. Like I said, especially from people close to you, that means a lot. Like, it means a lot. Like, just a simple, I'm proud of you. If you can do that, even like you listening to me in this video, if you can do that for somebody else, that'd be great. Just tell them like, hey, like, I'm really proud of you for doing this. Like, pay attention, be involved in whoever you care about, be involved in their life, listen to what they have to say. Because depression be getting real out here. Like, it's just an issue. We need to be out here supporting each other and helping each other build. And what I just used was the Luminizer blush from Dior Skin. This has been my She's Naive for a little minute. Next, my girl Nadia. Ooh, Nadia's gonna be making some videos, y'all. I don't know if I don't think she's like made one yet, or maybe she has and she hasn't edited it yet. I don't know. She's supposed to be working on her video, so get to it and go. I'll put her information once I get it. I'll put it in one of my videos so that y'all can go and subscribe and watch her videos, because she's bomb at makeup. Bomb! Support y'all friends, man. Support y'all friends. What y'all think this is looking like? It's looking, oh, it's looking okay. Let me get up close. I mean, I don't need to see. I have a little blemish over here. Oh, I'm just gonna take this eyeliner. I'm not gonna do it on camera. I'm just gonna take this, put it on, and get some lashes, and I'll be right back. Okay? Okay, don't go anywhere. Don't go anywhere. Okay, so we got these eyelashes on. These are pretty long for me, but I just want to wear them because I've had them for a while and I just don't wear them. I've been supposed to do this look for a while, and this is my favorite. Stila Stay All Day, and I love a red lip. I don't know, when I'm feeling good I go to red. I did put a little bit more of the moisturizer. It's not really a moisturizer, it's a lip oil that I put on because this can get a little bit drying. It can be a little drying, so I like to put something on for sure before I just go in with this. But let's get started. Okay. I didn't do a liner. I probably should have done a liner, but with this one sometimes I just don't. Don't get me wrong, I'm not like biased towards other ones. I think this is just the one that stays on the best that I've ever seen. Like even through work and eating, like it stays on. Like I found myself, I wore this one and I wore, I think all the colors actually. But I found myself bringing this to work, I think on Valentine's Day. And I didn't even use it. I didn't need to use it at all. And I get so many compliments whenever I wear this shade. Like I love it. Okay, so this looks good. That is that. I'm gonna come right back, okay? Don't move. All right, so here is that bold red lip for you. This is like my favorite look to wear often. I definitely could do some eyes with this. I did for my birthday last year and it was pretty cool too. I'm pretty simple, but I still want to say like I'm here, I'm bright, I'm red, and yeah, and I just think it looks real good on chocolate girls. So yeah, I like this. Hopefully during this little video y'all have got a little bit of tips for me, I guess, as far as just like self-motivation and probably spreading love and motivation to other people, because I definitely could have used it and I did have it sometimes, and my friends did encourage me to get things done even if they didn't know everything that I was doing. Sometimes you just have to motivate yourself and find out kind of what pushes you. For me, it was like creating that list of goals and like checking them off and noticing that I was making progress throughout my day and that I wasn't just wasting and doing anything. And then also just getting stuff done and making that effort to reach out and ask people for help for things that I didn't necessarily know how to do. Even though I could have found it out on my own, it was just I was being stubborn and I needed to reach out and help, and I just am feeling a lot better. And so hopefully the videos will be coming out, you know, a lot faster, and there will be more because I can do more than what I've put out, and I just want to be able to showcase that. So yeah, continue watching. I can't Stop.